Hey, what's up? I'm Tommy D, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine creating stunning professional quality videos in minutes without any editing skills. Today, you're going to watch me put two powerful AI video generators head to head, find out which SaaS has more ass. We're going to create videos with the same script using both tools and see which one performs better in terms of ease of use, features, and final output quality. The two AI tools we'll be comparing today are Cliplama and WOXO. Which one of these AI tools will revolutionize your video content creation? Stay tuned because the results might just blow your mind. Let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at what each of these AI video generators offer. Cliplama is an AI content creator that provides 3 modes of customization. It's designed to help you create professional looking videos like butter. They offer various pricing tiers, starting with a free plan and moving up to premium options for more advanced features. Then you have WOXO. It's another AI video generator known for its user-friendly interface and customization features. Unlike Cliplama, WOXO offers templates and tweaks to enhance your video creation process. Their pricing also starts with a free plan and includes several premium options. Okay, are you ready? We'll use a simple script to hopefully create a work of art in these videos. Here's a script that I made with a friend, ChatGPT. It's a basic structure with a hook, body, and call to action. Before we get this party started with Cliplama, be sure to give the channel a thumbs up, follow for more great content. Once you're logged in, the interface is clean and straightforward. Here is where you need to pick your mode of 3 available. For this demo, I'll be using the AI mode, which is amazing, by the way. So we just input our script by simply copying and pasting it into the text box right here. Next, we'll customize the video by choosing a language, and they have quite a few, as you can tell. Then choose the AI voice. You have a choice of video length, so select any of the 3 sizes. Finally, select if you want AI generated music or not. Now, just hit generate video and watch it render. The rendering process is relatively quick. Now, let's put that one on ice and create a video using the same script with WOXO. After logging in, this is the interface, so choose the format, which I don't really understand because all of these are the same format unless they are just trying to take up real estate on this web page. So just pick your only choice of the many and it will take you to the settings. Here you can choose a content idea, backgrounds, language, voiceover, and your music brand kit if it's set up. So just click apply and then you come down to this screen. Now they have 2 modes. WOXO base costs 10 credits and ultra costs 100. I want to give it the best shot, so we're going to go with ultra. All right, here's the video we generated. So you've seen me create them both. Now let's compare them from start to finish. I'm going to go ahead and play both of them back to back.
King Arthur and his legendary sword, Excalibur, have fascinated us for centuries. Imagine proving your right to the throne with a single act of strength and destiny. Camelot was not just a castle, it was the heart of justice and bravery. The Knights of the Round Table embarked on incredible adventures. Their quest for the Holy Grail is still legendary today. Excalibur was said to make King Arthur invincible and protect him from harm in every battle he fought. But what happened to Excalibur after Arthur's last battle? The mystery continues to intrigue historians and fans alike. Historians and fans are still deeply intrigued by the legend and fate of Excalibur, sparking endless debates and theories. Share this video with a warrior you know, and let the legend of King Arthur and Excalibur inspire bravery and honor in today's world.
Imagine revealing your deepest secret to King Arthur and his legendary sword, Excalibur. Arthur's tale of chivalry and heroism unfolds as he proves his right to the throne by pulling the sword from the stone. Camelot, the epitome of justice and bravery, home to the Knights of the Round Table, awaits your secret. Embark on the quest for the Holy Grail alongside these noble warriors, inspired by their valor and honor. Excalibur, the sword of invincibility given by the Lady of the Lake, holds the key to your secret's protection. The mystery of Excalibur's fate after Arthur's last battle continues to intrigue historians and fans alike.
Cliplama has a clean interface and 3 easy-to-navigate modes. However, WOXO's interface, although appearing overwhelming, is fairly simplistic and easy to use. Both offer a variety of customization options for each AI tool. WOXO stands out with its extensive range of templates with more advanced customization features. But Cliplama provides a clean, sleek interface and will be absolute fire for a beginner. Both videos look professional, but Cliplama edges out with the better AI images, smoother transitions, and a more polished video out the gate. WOXO is great for quick and straightforward video creation with its clean interface and options. Cliplama, on the other hand, excels with its user-friendly design, extensive animations, and higher quality output. Both AI video generators have their strengths and weaknesses. WOXO is ideal for those who want more customization, while Cliplama is perfect for a quick, simple project. Based on our comparison, I recommend WOXO for those looking for more control over the project, but Cliplama is a very solid choice for beginners, simpler projects, and if you need bulk videos. I'll put the links in the description below for all the AI video generators if you want to try them out for yourself. Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI SaaS reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.